Hi, this is Dr. Sam Spear, a board-certified plastic surgeon in the Chicago area. Just 11 minutes of daily walking improves your health. Did you know that it really doesn't take a lot of time to get healthier? What if I told you that just 11 minutes a day of moderate intensity physical activity, such as brisk walking, can reduce the risk of many things, but especially heart disease, by 17% and cancer by 7%? How about if this amount of daily exercise also comes with a 23% lower risk of premature death? Would you believe me? Would you believe me if I told you that walking 8,000 steps just once or twice a week can be enough to significantly reduce your risk of death over 10 years? Well, each of these is a fact and proven by scientific studies. So honestly, what are you waiting for? How much simpler can it get? You deserve it, your health deserves it. So please, do a little walking. I love you guys, thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you enjoyed this and learned something. Have a great day.